Alright, today's video we're going to do a range test with the Mavic Air 2. On my UAV forecast it says we are good to fly, 15-mile-an-hour winds, and we'll just take it out, see how far we can get it. So I'll shoot this in 3 different formats. First I'll go to 4K and I'll go to normal. First I'll go to 4K 60, then I'll go 4K 30 with HDR, then I'll go to 2K 60, and then 1080p 60. So we'll start out in 4K 60, normal. And we're ready to go. So I'll go ahead and take it up 400 feet. So again, right now I'm at 4K 60. We'll go ahead and stop the video. And we'll change this to HDR. And hit record. Okay, now I'll switch it to 2K. We'll go back to normal, 60 frames. And record. Okay, now I will try 1080p at 60 frames and hit record. So the good thing is I do have the wind coming towards me. So I know I'll have enough battery to come back when it tells me that I'm low battery. It seems to be picking up a little bit, but I don't have any wind warnings yet. And I'll tilt the gimbal wheel down some. So, and this is at 1080p. So for the rest of the video, I'll go ahead and hit stop. And then go to 4K. And then I'll go to HDR. So it's 30 frames. And hit record. So what I'm going to do here to speed this up, I'll go ahead and flip it to sport mode. And that way I can push out a little faster. I have plenty of battery left, I'm at 74%. So I can easily make it over 2 miles with no obstacles in the way and have a crystal clear picture on my phone. And I'm just going to keep pushing it out. I'm at 62% battery and I haven't had any hiccups yet. Okay, low battery. I am at almost 15,000. I'll see if I can get to there. I know I have enough battery to get back because I have the wind. The wind will be to its back. So I'll just push it out a little farther. And when it tells me to come home, I'm coming home. Okay, looks like we made it 16,000 feet, and it's turning around and returning home. So how far we got to go. Still have 12,000 feet and 44% battery. Okay, I'm a little over a third of the way back. I'm at 41% battery and still waiting for it to come home. So I'm around 5,000 feet and I still have 33% battery left. So I'm going to cancel the return just so I can get some video up over the water before I bring it all the way in. And notice my battery went from red to white now, and that's because I had so much wind behind me. When it calculated the return home, it kind of erred on the side of caution and left me with plenty of battery to get back. So now that I got closer, it's showing green. So now I'm just looking at the 4K video. Fly around the lake a little. I am in sport mode. Now we'll let it go ahead and come all the way in. And I did take off from right around here, so we'll just see how close we get. It's actually pretty close to where I took off. I'll go ahead and let it land. So this time it went out around 16,000 feet before it wanted to return home. That could be due to the fact that I had it in sport mode a lot of the time, and that seems to kill some of the battery. And also I was flying into the wind, so those factors will always decrease your flight time. That's it. Hope you liked the video. If you haven't before, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and drop a like, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.